Hello, dear traders. My name is Oleg Prishepa. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. Let's start our weekly review. So our total profitability is plus 226%. For this week, we earned plus 1.5%, and since the beginning of April, we also earned 1.5%. Let's switch to the MetaTrader platform and see how we were trading during the current week. I highlighted this week with a gray rectangle. We are on 1 hour time frame, so you can see that technically we are growing for a month, I think, since the 8th of March. And if we speak about our local supports and resistances, this week we finally broke a very strong point, the resistance that was formed at the beginning of this year. You can see that market tried to break this level for several times, but it was unsuccessful. Then we went to this huge drawdown. And this week we finally broke this level, so it can be a good sign for all of the traders who were waiting for this level to start buying, because it seems that market can use this resistance as the support for the future growth. Speaking about our trades, we started week from closing the trades from the previous week. If you remember, we had a buying trade from Friday. We started this week from a small drop down, and near the previous local support level we averaged our buying trade and closed it with profit. Then on the reversal moment we started gaining the selling position, then averaged it for 2 times and closed all the trades with profit. Now we are waiting for the market to show its next step on Monday. I think that like we have all chances to like start growth from these levels. In this case, we're gonna be selling closer to the previous resistance levels. If not, we're going to be looking for buying options after we retest the previous support levels. As for the next currency pair, GBP to Canadian dollar, we have a pretty similar picture. We started this week from a small drop down, and you can see that we bought over here and closed our deal with profit. Then on the reversal moment on Tuesday, we sold after we retested the previous resistance level and closed our deal with profit as well. The rest of the week we spent in this like narrow consolidation, and we were not trading here. So we have like the same scenario. We retest the previous local high, and we're going to be looking for a selling position. Maybe even we'll consider the like global resistance level. Or if the market starts falling down, we're going to be looking for buying options closer to the like previous local support level. The next currency pair is Australian to New Zealand dollar. Finally, we broke our consolidation. If you remember, we spent, I think, almost months in this like flat, and algorithm was not making any trades, and we were waiting for the market to break either support or resistance level. Finally, we broke this support, and we opened to our buying trade. Then we averaged it and closed both trades with profit. So let's wait what will happen next. We have our previous local low at the point that may be used by the market to by the robot to open another buying position. The next currency pair is New Zealand to Canadian dollar. If you remember, we had several trades from the previous week, and at the beginning of this week, we first of all we opened a trade with a second robot, and then we averaged trade with the first one. We averaged the trade from Wednesday and closed both trades with profit. On this reversal impulse, we started selling, then we averaged the trades and opened a trade on a second algorithm after we broke the previous resistance level and closed both trades with profit on the reversal moment. And on Thursday, we also made a trade and averaged it with the first algorithm and closed these trades with profit. We still have one trade hanging here in the middle of this channel, so we're gonna wait for the market to come closer to the previous support and closes below this support, not only retests it with the like shadow, And after we're going to average this trade. If not, we'll be looking for potential selling position with the algorithm that is not active so far, but it's like tracking the market still. I think we'll be looking for this option somewhere closer to this local resistance level, and as well we can close the trade we had from the previous week, this trade from Thursday. And the last currency pair for today is Australian to Canadian dollar. It more looks as a downtrend than like New Zealand to Canadian dollar, right? As for this currency pair, you can see that we had three trades from the previous week that we finally averaged on Monday and closed all of the trades with profit. Also, we had one trade with the second algorithm that we averaged also on Monday and closed it with profit. And on the reversal moment, when we broke the previous local highs, we opened the trade with one algorithm and averaged the trade opened previously by the second one, and we closed all the trades with profit. Then on this downtrend, we were mostly buying. For now, we have two open trades. We have buying trade from this zone. Then we have the selling the buying trade from the retest of the previous local support level. So we're going to wait for the market to bounce back from this support or average the trade if it starts falling. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Trading Hero Strategy. Let me know if you have any questions and have a good trading week.